let us move on to another problem based on trigonometric identities. The sum is prove that square root of 1 plus sin a divided by 1 minus sin a is equal to secant a plus tan a. To prove this result, first we have to see the sum carefully. There are two parts in the sum. One is on left side of equal sign, another one is on right side of equal sign. So the part which is left side of equal sign is called as LHS. Consider LHS, that is square root of 1 plus sin a divided by 1 minus sin a. This sum can be done by the process called as rationalizing the denominator. In the denominator we have 1 minus sin a. The conjugate of 1 minus sin a is 1 plus sin a. For the rationalization of the denominator, we need to multiply and divide it by the conjugate of the denominator. Therefore, the expression reduces to square root of 1 plus sin a divided by 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a divided by 1 plus sin a. If you see the numerators of two fractions, 1 plus sin a and 1 plus sin a, same expressions are there. As a result, if you take one of them as a, other also taken as a only. So a into a is a square. In a similar manner, 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a becomes 1 plus sin a whole square. In the denominator of those two fractions, we have 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a. We have same two terms in both the expression. One of the term you take it as a, another term you take it as b. Here also it becomes a as well as b. But signs are respectively minus and plus is there. So as a result, denominator is of the form a minus b into a plus b. Whenever an expression is of the form a minus b into a plus b, product will be always of the form a square minus b square. Therefore, the denominator reduces to a value is 1 becomes 1 square minus b value is sin a becomes sin square a. That is equal to square root of 1 plus sin a whole square keep as it is. 1 square value is 1 minus sin square a. To have the value of 1 minus sin square a, we already discussed one important trigonometric standard identity, that is sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. This implies that 1 minus sin square a is equal to cos square a, which is got it by transposing sin square a to RHS. For more information on trigonometric identities, please watch my previous video. Let us come back to the next step. 1 plus sin a whole square, which is to be kept as it is under square root, divided by 1 minus sin square a is equal to cos square a, which is to be replaced by cos square a. Here square and square root is get cancelled. Square and square root is get cancelled. Here we have a binomial expression, which is to be divided by monomial. Otherwise, even it is also called as polynomial expression. When a polynomial is divided by monomial, we need to divide both terms of polynomial by monomial. That is, first term of polynomial is 1 is there, that is to be divided by monomial, that is cos a, plus second term of polynomial is sin a, that is to be divided by cos a. So as a result, expression reduces to 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a. Reciprocal of cos a will give secant a plus sin a by cos a is nothing but tan a. This is our required RHS. Therefore, finally LHS is equal to RHS.